What's up, guys? Today we got an Asus k501l, and more specific is k501lx and H52. Alright, and the problem is the DC jack is broken right here, and to save some time on the video, you have to unscrew this screw, that screw, this one, this one, this one, this one, this and these two. Once you unscrew all the screws, you take the cover off, like that. And here you will see a damage a little bit better to the DC jack. Basically the pin itself is moving around right there. Yeah. Hold on, let me show you better. You see? Basically the pin itself is moving around, so we need to replace this jack. We replace those jacks for $100 total, or 60 bucks if you send in just the motherboard. So let me show you how to take the motherboard off, in case you just want to send the motherboard. So first thing, you want to disconnect the battery. Like, I don't want to mess it up, so hold on. This hinge right here, this hinge goes up, and this comes out like that. So this secure thing goes this way, and that thing goes up. Okay. Next, flip this switch outwards, flip that switch outwards. Remove the cables. Don't break any of those hinges, please. Okay, flip this up. Mark which one is which. Like that, like that. Move those guys out of the way. Disconnect the hard drive. Like that. Push this guy outwards. Another cable right here, upwards. Move it out of the way. This guy upwards. Slide it to the right, out of the way. Hinges, 3 screws on the hinges. Alright. Now lift this guy up. Don't damage any of the components on the motherboard. Let's flip it outwards like that. And here we go. Okay, so I want to take the fans off. Take that one out. This guy. And that guy. The reason being is right there. You see the cable didn't go straight in for some reason. Whoever took it apart before probably was screwing around. Now you have to be extremely careful with those guys. They break extremely easily. So you need to be pulling on both sides. Like that. Okay. And here we need to unscrew this guy. Okay. Now disconnect the cable here. Get the fan off like that. I get this guy, and this guy gonna come up with the whole thing. So here, as you can see right there, the cable is at an angle of some sort. Somebody didn't put it in properly, or it's just supposed to be like that, I'm not sure. Here. Strange. Alright, so let's put it in properly. Begin with like that, close it. I'll disconnect this guy. Like that. Alrighty, so we lift off the motherboard. Here is another SSD card we need to remove and disconnect. Okay. Okay. So yeah, basically you see the jack cracked right here. Yeah, hold on. The crack on the bottom, the pin is broken, and this is a kind of hard repair to do. So if I were you, I wouldn't bother doing it yourself, but let me show you how we do it here. I'm hoping I could take this guy out of here. Okay, so that's out of it. Right, so desolder on all those 4 points. Okay. A brand new jack. Alright. I'll put some thermal paste so that the heat from the CPU and the VGA card will dissipate properly. Okay, like that. Okay. So, okay, we put it down like that. Here we need to bend out the plastic a little bit because the plastic is crooked right here. Let me find the benders for 1 second. Okay, wonderful. And here we can move this guy, the keyboard, like that. You know, it doesn't seem right. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. That. Doesn't, yeah, the cables should not interfere with anything here. Alright, so you don't want to jam the cables. So how's it that? Yeah, that's fine. And let's see. Yeah, that's totally fine too. That's fine too. Okay. And okay. Alrighty, so here what we want to do is we want to first close the hinge like that. Put the screws right there, like that, like that, and like that. Okay. Now we want to guide this guy through here to here and close up right here. Those are the slightly longer screws right here, going here, here, and here. Like that. Like that. And like that. So we have and that's too long of a screw. Okay. So here, that's that's here. All of that is connected. This guy is connected. Note, hold on 1 second. Maybe this is not from here. Maybe this guy needs to go right there. Yep. This is a special screw right here. It looks like no other screw looks. So here we want to put in tiny one. Okay, so tiny, 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 and tiny one. Okay. Now let's put the battery in. Now first let's guide the cables here. Black goes on the right hand side, number 1. And white goes right here. Yeah, we kind of jammed that cable in, so I wanna disconnect this cable. Put the black one here. Alright. And put the white one here. Like that, guide them out of the way a little bit. And then here, guide this guy in. Like that. Close the hinge right here. Now we can install the battery. Like that. Okay. Alright. like that, and you should be able to close the hinge right here safely. If you can't close it, that means you're not installing it properly. So here, screw right here, screw right here. Okay, another screw goes right here. Okay. I'm not sure about this guy. I'm gonna put one of my own screws. Oh no, found another one. Hold on. There. Excuse me. Okay, like that. Wonderful. So now what you wanna do is you wanna close it. The thermal paste is there. This guy is in just fine. No, no. This guy is not in just fine. 1 second. Make sure the wireless cables are not jammed onto the battery right here. So okay, just double check. We've got the regular hard drive and this is SSD drive, so 2 drives. Alright. Okay. Seems like somebody won't put the screws in the proper way. Okay. So let's see, that's one was right here. Alright. Alright. Здорово. Ничего, что-то потыкался в эти скажи. Ничего. Но зато хорошо накатался вчера. Вау! 300 километров за день? Да, пиздец, чувак. Герой. Угу. Угу. Mhm. Mhm.